Hey everyone, welcome back to Affinity with Creative Grid. In this video, we're exploring the Affinity by Canva interface. Understanding the UI will make your workflow faster, smoother, and way more enjoyable. Let's dive in. At the very top, you'll see the menu bar. This contains all the major commands grouped into categories like File, Edit, Document, Text, and more. Think of it as the master control center of the software. Right below the menu bar is the toolbar. This is where you'll find essential workspace controls. Studios, these let you switch between different workspaces like vector, pixel, layout, and more. We will cover each and every mode in dedicated videos later. View modes, here you can preview your design using different modes such as vector preview or pixel preview. Operations and design aids. This section changes depending on the active studio and gives you quick access to frequently used options. We will learn each and every aid in a dedicated video later. Export, use this to quickly set up your preferred export formats and generate output files. Right under the toolbar is the context toolbar. This area shows options related to the tool you currently have selected. Every time you switch tools, the settings here will update. You can undock this toolbar through the View menu. Also, you can dock it back in the same way. On the left side, you'll see the Tools panel. This is where you access all the major editing tools. The tools here also change depending on which studio you're working in. You can right-click on this panel to customize which tools are shown. On the right, you'll see a collection of panels that control essential settings. These may differ between studios. You can undock a panel by dragging it, and redock it by hovering it back until you see a blue overlay. You can also show or hide panels from the window menu. At the center of the screen is the document view. This is where your actual design lives. If you're using artboards, they'll appear here along with the surrounding pasteboard. At the bottom, you'll find the status bar. This displays tool hints, shortcuts, and helpful keyboard modifiers based on the tool you're using. This is the simplest overview of the Affinity interface. You might still have a lot of questions about each area, and that's totally normal. We'll cover every part in detail in the upcoming videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design software guides, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Also, make sure to explore the channel for more Affinity lessons, workflows, and creative tips.